I'm Michael Horwitz, and I'm going to be your facilitator for the one thing. What is that one thing that you can do such that by doing it, everything else becomes easier or unnecessary? That was the foundation of the book that Gary Keller and Jay Papasan sat down to write. And 2.5 million copies later, the book has become an international New York Times bestseller. And in this class, we are going to go through the book. We'll work through some activities, goal setting to the now, identifying our 20%, breaking it down from all the way to its smallest component part, right? Reduced to the ridiculous so that we know what we have to do next. In this class, we will identify opportunities for growth, and we'll talk about some things that are truly impactful and personal to you, along with coming away with an action plan to ensure that we apply the ideas and the principles and the concepts behind the one thing to our daily lives, to change our habits, to make a real difference so that the goals that we have in mind become the goals that are in sight and the goals that we can achieve. I look forward to seeing you in class, and make sure you come with the book, ready to participate, questions in mind, and with an explorer mindset.